Gather your materials and follow along to make this lion craft. Your kids may need a little help with the construction because it requires using your glue gun. You need faux leaves, yellow craft foam, 2 white spoons, a black pom-pom, a black sharpie, your glue gun, and scissors. Start by drawing the lion's face on the plate. Take your scissors and cut off the handles of the spoons. Use your Sharpie to make the eyes. Cut out the ear shapes from the yellow craft foam. Using your glue gun, add the eyes, nose, and ears to the plate. Flip the plate over and glue the leaves around the edge. You could also add a popsicle stick to the bottom if your kids wanted to make this craft into a puppet. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.